Hi folks, gonna show you how to make a distribution list so you can email your parents and guardians. I'm going to do it by going to Teams, and when we go to Teams, you're going to want to start in all Teams and go to Royal Staff. And when you do that, you can go to Files. Now Jason sent us a link which will take you here directly, but I've had that link paused, so I can go here directly. And so this one here is 201016 Guardian emails and addresses, and so I'm going to click that up, and there we go. Now this has everybody's emails in it, not just yours, all parent and guardians, and it's arranged by period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've already done my period 1, so I'm going to go to period 2. And when I scroll all the way to the left, you can see that these are Julia Lanz, there's Ruth Arsenault. I'm going to scroll down till I find my own, Beeman, right there. And so this would be my first parent or guardian. So I'm going to hold Shift down and I'm going to cursor down and I'm going to copy here. I'm going to highlight first all of my parents and guardians. When I right click here, I can copy. Now we're set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now open up Microsoft Outlook, and I'm going to go to the full software here. And what I want to do is I want to go down to the side here where it says People. That's where we're going to make our distribution list. So I'm going to go to People. And up here it says New Contact Group. So I want to do that. So I'm going to go to New Contact Group. And one of my options is to add members, and clearly that's what I want to do. So I'm going to add members. Now here, this doesn't make sense. It's Outlook Contacts, Address Book, and New Email Contact. You want to pick from Address Book. And the reason you want to do that is because there's this little box here, Members. And now when I click in there, I can right-click my mouse and paste in all of those parents' names. So when I hit OK, there they all are. So now what I want to do is I want to name this, and this is my period 2, fall 2020 Guardians. If I could spell Guardians. Okay, and then my option here is to save and close. So now I've made that contact list, and I can use it at any time I want. So let's go send an email. Here is my mail, and I want to click New Email up here. And so now I have to and CC. Now here's the thing. You don't want to put those period 2 guardians in 2, because when you email the group out, every parent will be able to see every other parent's email address. So what you want to do is you're going to go to CC, and then you have this option down here to BCC, which is to send it silent. I think, what's that stand for? I forget. Anyway, no one else will be able to see anyone else's email. And so when I type in period 2, here's the confusing piece. It doesn't come up. So you're going to actually have to put it in to 2, and you're actually, watch that again, try again. You're going to come out here to 2 and type in period 2 fall 2020 Guardians. There they are. And so it's going to go into 2. When I right-click this, I am going to cut. And now I'm going to go to CC, BCC, and paste. And there's my group. When I hit OK, there they appear in BCC. Now no parents will see any others. I'll email a copy of it to myself. And now I'm good to make my email. And when I click Send, it'll go to everybody. Now that I've done this, by the way, every time I go to BCC, this period 2 will be there for me as an option. But the first time I have to kind of copy and paste it in, and then it will appear. And now you're ready to send.